This is Supreet and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this Amazon Basics tripod costing 700 rupees. Actually first when I saw this box I thought it was a non-Chinese tripod, but again I was wrong. This is a Chinese tripod again. By seeing the Amazon logo I thought it was some made in USA, but that was wrong. So let's start the video. Let me talk about the costing. As shown, it is going to cost 1850 rupees, but you are getting it for, that's the MRP, but we can get it for 750 rupees, and that's the costing. So, when I saw the box I thought it was a non-Chinese tripod, but although it's a Chinese one I can't resist it. Okay, so here's the tripod box, so let's open this. Hard tapes. Okay, so, and we are expecting a brown tripod. Great quality actually. Wow. Okay, so here's the tripod. That should be a holder. Oh, that's missing, I think. So here's the tripod. Yeah, with Amazon Basics ka logo, and everything is good. All good. Not like our previous video. The tripod is broken. The leveler, all good. Okay, what's this? Oh, very strong tripod at a price range of 800. It's good, in fact. Okay, so here I have this Amazon Basics tripod and this Chinese Bluetooth tripod. There's a Bluetooth tripod. Actually, this is 41 inches, but both seems to be the same height unexpectedly. And the Amazon Basics cover is too good with compared to this one. That's made up of little leather and also leather and some plastic. So that's good. Stop करते. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, please subscribe and comment in our channel. And thank you.